Hello and welcome to the second session of the Open Think Lab. We are now concluding loop number 3, round number 2, looking at culture, creativity and technologies. 3 things to keep in mind for today. How do technologies impact culture and creativity? To start with, we have issued an operational plan which you can find on weareinnovation.org, building intelligent frameworks for digital initiatives. Additionally, I'll be very happy to take you through a circular innovation project with systemic impact I am running here in French Berry. Looking backward on the technical part we are now closing, we have explored how blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things were affecting our culture of information sharing. In parallel, we have discovered tools such as dimensional diversity to build operational excellence. What have we written through this third iteration of our global innovation story? We have talked about the cultural revolution needed to adapt to blockchain. New business models, new knowledge models, although developed with new governance approaches and agile processes, we still miss a clear cultural transformation to fully benefit from blockchain. 2 main requirements outlined by experts: technological resilience and security of platforms, as well as a culture to manage them. What type of skills would enable such a culture to arise? Maybe we should connect global creativity, trying to drive change with purpose through systemic learning models, using collaboration, adaptiveness, design fiction, automating sustainability as the main keywords shades around how to bring systemic value. It might be interesting to read the long-term story of artificial intelligence. One of the key questions behind that story being, how do we want machines to help humans make sense of information? Is it creativity empowering AI, AI empowering creativity? And what level of innovation could we reach combining both? One of the actions experts encourage to take is to investigate cultural, ethical, social and organizational adaptations needed around AI. How can they be economically sustainable on the long term? Perhaps by focusing on sense rather than performance. Our human analytical skills will be key to make sense of all those technological changes, and perhaps we should look into articulating a human-centric story to market around technologies. How could the Internet of Things address this issue? By creating applications that make sense of fast-changing data while meeting high security and privacy standards. To help you reach such standards, we have developed dimensional diversity, a knowledge management practice to help you share efficient customer information across silos. For instance, the idea is to create a communicative environment based on open innovation to generate value both from common interests and diverging views. 4 levels of diversity enable you to confront internal and external expertise around customer-centric discussions. As a result, the voice of customers is shared among all teams under varying angles to trial and define the best solutions for them. You can download the management report detailing this tool on weareinnovation.org. As a direct application of this methodology, you can also access the operational plan to help you build intelligent framework around digital initiatives. In that plan, we suggest to create open, creative conversations with customers, inspiring them new emotions, developing through iterations and shared human values. This is a necessary component to develop a unique and systemic value to solve global challenges. Which leads me to the hyperlocal scale. This would define projects by humans for humans using circular models with systemic impact. For instance, I have started writing a blog called I Love Le Châtre, ilovelecatre.fr, highlighting local talents in a vast diversity of sectors. The circular innovation model I use is the one defined in our global story, an ever-adapting plan for systemic innovation and customer centricity, hence the idea of loops. Finally, I address local economic, cultural and social challenges through a local marketing agency called Big Berry. Throughout the upcoming round, I'll be detailing the third and last part of our current story, analyzing markets, trends, introducing systemic innovation values, and of course, answering our new collaborative question: what cultural transformation do we need to connect talents, ideas, and creativities with technologies? You can also download all supporting management and operational plans on Gumroad, and of course, read more on weareinnovation.org, our global innovation story, as we write it. Thank you.